Moz is one of the most popular and oldest digital marketing company on internet. Due to this coronavirus impact, Moz is providing its premium Moz Academy courses for absolutely free. These courses are worth more than $2,000. Watch the video, complete video, because I am going to show you more such courses. Hey friends, I am Preetham Nagrale from DMatic Digital. I am a digital marketer, blogger and YouTuber. If you are new to this channel, then subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so that you can get all the digital marketing stuff absolutely free. This is the landing page for Moz Academy where you can get all the Moz Academy courses for free. So you can find the details of all these courses. When you scroll down, you'll find all the courses over here. You can find courses like starter pack is there, then SQL pack is there, then SEO essential certificate, then keyword research, page optimization, then local SEO fundamentals. Then there are different courses, and if you are starting a new business related to SEO agency, then you can find courses for that also. You can see the prices of each of these course. So the course price is 149 for this one, 289 for this one, 595 for this one, and different prices for different courses. But at present you can get all these courses for absolutely free, excluding this one. You can see here not included, we got this promo. Now I'll tell you how to get all these courses for absolutely free. Just go to the top of this page and then you can find this promo code we got this from Moz Academy. Now we have to use this promo code to buy these courses for free. Now scroll down and click on any of this course. Suppose keyword research. So I clicked on keyword research and I came to this page. Then and there's the option to purchase here. So I click here purchase. You need to have Moz account to buy these courses. If you don't have Moz account, then you can sign up for a Moz account for free. Then you can buy these courses. Now you can see the price of this course $119, but I'll use this promo code we got this, and I click on this apply, and now you can see zero, total amount is zero. So after this I have to just click on this purchase button and this course is mine. Now you can see the details of these courses. You can click on this link and then you can use these courses. Similarly, you can go back and get all these courses. I came back here and then I'll click on different courses, and then similarly I'll buy all these courses. I'm sure these courses will help you to grow your SEO skills during this lockdown period.